Life's been busy lately. I've been up to some really exciting things. I just got back from a week-long trip to New York City, which was a ton of fun, but it's also helped to make my life feel a little bit chaotic. Fortunately, I also got to go to one of my favorite places that you've probably never heard about. It's called Vedauwoo, and it's sort of the botched pronunciation for the Arapaho word Vedauwoo, which allegedly translates to earth, or in the Vedauwoo context, I guess it means earthbound or earthbound spirit. This place is incredible, and it's frankly in the middle of nowhere, in the least populated state, next to a town with a population of 1. It's home to a ton of wildlife: moose, deer, antelope, mountain lions, beavers, bears, and I've seen all of them. I gotta grow up near this place. So I've spent weeks of my childhood exploring, climbing, hiking through this area, and it's a really incredible place. And I'm guessing you've never heard of it, and frankly, that's a good thing in my mind, because this being in the middle of nowhere and nobody knowing about it is part of the reason it's still so wild. That and the weather. I mean, it's windy 100% of the time. Selfishly, I don't want you to go there. I'm telling you about this place because I'm quite excited about it, but I've been a bit reluctant to even publish this because I think it being in the middle of nowhere and people not knowing about it is part of what makes it so great. So this was a really fun little break for me to step away from chaotic life for a minute and explore this natural place that's just unlike any other. And I think if you've got any places like this that you can go to, I encourage you to find them. I want to know about the places that you love that I'm not going to know about.